Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for those of you who are not talking to your partners, not in talking terms. For those of you who've had breakups and who really want to know what's going on, what are they thinking and where will this go? Let's see. See, they are thinking to come towards you. They are really mustering up the strength to come towards you. They really want to offer you a big offer. That's what I feel right now. They are planning. They are definitely planning. They want an equal give and take. They want to end this silence between you two Aquarians. They really want to end everything, and they really want to just jump out of the misery that they are in without you. They really want to. They are really planning. You will soon hear from them. Chariot is very soon you'll hear from them. Let's see, what are you thinking about them? Aquarians, what are you thinking about them? So you're thinking, I'm okay being good friends with them. There's a lot of third party situation involved, either from your side or their side. But you really don't want to leave any party because you feel it's a lot of hard work and you're okay as long as they don't want commitment. This is your thinking. You're good being friends, and if they want to be around being a third party, you're good. This is what you're thinking. What if they come to you? Then what are they likely to tell you? If they come to you, what are they likely to tell you? If they come to you, what are they likely to tell you? They will tell you that not taking their offer has really upset them. They are in a lot of pain. They really are carrying this burden all around. There's a lot of baggage of you not being there, and you guys not talking. So I think they will express what they are feeling very clearly, very clearly. Let me take out more cards of how you will react. How you will react, Aquarians, to them. What are you bound to say? See, again, you are ready to offer a very page energy from your side. You don't want to commit right now with them. Whether you don't feel they are up to the mark as right now for you to commit. You don't like their clinginess. Some of you don't like how clingy they are. Some of you don't like how they really are a burden, some days, and really cling hard to you. So this is what you will tell them. Let's see what's the future of this connection. What's the future of this connection? Oh, one card, yes or no card. So the future is that there are a lot of walls, and it's a 50-50. I can't say it's a no, I can't say it's a yes. It's a 50-50, so I think you guys will definitely, they will come towards you. You guys will have to decide. Cards are saying it's all on you. We really can't decide for you. So it's a 50-50, because see, they really feel that you have built the walls around you and you're not really letting them in. So it's up to you whether you really want them in or no. That's a clear-cut message. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I will come up with more updates on what's going on. Thank you. Bye-bye.